Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the Honorable Our English Lecturer, Miss Annie Alfionita Simanjuntak, and dear all my friends. So before I start the explanations, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nayla Salsabila. You guys can call me Nayla, and I am a law student on UPN Veteran Jakarta and from grade A. So let's get started. Indonesian legal profession is still in touch with the Dutch colonial era. There are two kinds of legal profession in Indonesia, namely pokro bambu, which is the original one, and advocate. Both of these jobs are help the clients with their legal problems and submit the matter to the court. The differences are about the professional requirements and where they can accompany their clients. An advocate is more complex because it needs a Magister of Law degree for the professional qualification or professional requirements. The term advocates come from Latin's word advocare, which means to defend, to call to one's aid, or to guarantee. Basically, an advocate is a legal professional who is licensed to practice and authorized to provide legal services to clients both in and out of the court. An advocate is regulated by Law Number 18 of 2003 concerning advocate and is one of the law enforcement professions. There are a lot of duties of advocate, and I will explain four duties of advocates. The first one is defending client. An advocate primary duty is to act as a defender, providing legal representation to client who face legal problems. This includes accompanying client during court trial and providing support throughout the legal process. The second one is providing legal advice. Advocates function as a legal consultants by interviewing clients, understanding their legal issues, and offering clear legal advice to help clients make informed decisions and minimize losses. The third one is negotiation and representations. Advocates negotiate with judges or opposing parties to achieve fair outcomes for their clients, whether the clients are victims seeking the rights or defendants seeking legal relief. The fourth one is offering free legal aid. Advocates are obligated to provide free legal assistance to those who are economically disadvantaged and cannot afford legal services, ensuring access to justice for all. There are four responsibilities of advocates. The first one, an advocate should assist the court. Advocates must help the court in administering justice by presenting cases honestly, fairly, and sincerely without misleading or withholding material information. The second one, an advocate must maintain the secretiveness. Advocates are responsible for maintaining the confidentiality of their client's information and not disclosing it without the client consents unless legally required. The third one is an advocate should represent clients competently. Advocate must provide diligence, skilled, and knowledgeable representation, keeping client informed and acting in their best interests. The fourth one is an advocate should promote access to justice. Advocates should provide legal assistance without discrimination and avoid frivolous litigation that burdens the legal systems. So, the salary information. First one, for the trainee advocates, they will get 2 million until 3 million Indonesian rupiah. The second one, for young advocate, they will get 7 million until 15 million Indonesian rupiah. And the last one, professional advocates, they will get more than 20 million Indonesian rupiah. So, if you want to be an advocate, you must master a couple of skills, including communication skill, negotiation skill, analytical and problem-solving skill, professionalism, and integrity. An advocate can work in a law firm, in-house legal counsel, or in a court. For there's a lot of career prospect for an advocate, including corporate lawyer, government as a prosecutor or legal advisor, diplomat, academic, politician, and legal consultant. There are the advantages of becoming an advocate. The first one is financial reward. The profession can offer high earning potential, especially with experience or working in a prestigious firms. The second one is variety of career paths. Advocates can work in private practice, corporate legal counsel, government, or public interest law. The third one is making a positive impact. Advocates help uphold justice, defend rights, and contribute to society. There are also the challenges of becoming an advocate. The first one is high stress. Yes, advocates often face long working hours, tight deadlines, and demanding clients, which can cause stress and emotional strain. The second one is expensive educations. Becoming an advocate requires significant investment in legal education, which often leads to student debt. The third one is emotional job. Yep, advocates often work with clients in difficult, emotional situations requiring empathy and resilience. The last one is work-life balance. The profession can challenge maintaining a good balance between personal and professional life due to workload demands. Advocate is a legal profession in Indonesia, and advocates work to defend and assist people with legal problems and bring them to court. An advocate's salaries also vary from 2 million Indonesian rupiah until 20 million Indonesian rupiah. The important skills for advocates include legal knowledge, communication, and negotiations. They can become legal consultants, diplomats, politicians, etc. There are also benefits and challenges to becoming an advocate. However, advocate is worth it to try. So, thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye!